So today topic then microstate and macrostate from unit 5 thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. So question number 1, a microstate of a thermodynamic system is specified by a macrostate. You have to remember that. So the correct option is C. So then macroscopic variable like pressure, volume and temperature. Okay, so option C is correct. Then question number 2, a microstate refers to a microstate. Okay, a microstate, it should be a exact all particle. Option B is correct. So it exact arrangement of all particle. Option B is correct. Okay, you have to remember that. Okay, this is micro before the cases micro. Okay, for a given macrostate, the number of possible microstate is generally, so most important question, the option is very large. Okay, for a given macrostate, the number of possible microstate is generally very large. Okay, you have to remember that, most important. Okay, very large. So option C is correct. Okay, so then question number 4, entropy is related to number of microstate. The correct option is option C is correct. Okay, then S equal to then K ln omega, where S is the entropy, then K is the Boltzmann constant, then W is the thermodynamic probabilities. Okay, you have to remember that. So sometimes they should be asking problems, okay, by using this entropy. Okay, the thermodynamic probability is represented by, I already said that from the previous question. Okay, so then W represent as thermodynamic probability. Okay, option B is correct. So question number 6, a system has, there should be thermodynamic probability. So then given, then thermodynamic probabilities, then thermodynamic probability, then W is equal to given. Okay, then 10 power minus 5 microstate, then calculate the entropy. Okay, entropy kekranga, that is S stands for here entropy. Okay, the Boltzmann constant kudutanga. Okay, what is the value for Boltzmann constant? Then K is equal to 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. Okay, what is the formula for entropy? So from the before question, this is the formula for entropy. Okay, so in that formula, K is given, then thermodynamic probability will be given, then we have to substitute and find the entropy. Above, then S equal to then K Boltzmann constant, then logarithmic, then thermodynamic probability, then Boltzmann constant, already constant value 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 into then logarithm value is 10 power 5. Okay, so just then 1.38 into 10 power minus 23, then we have to take logarithmic 10 power 5, then we have to get the value, that is 11.515. so after we have to substitute the correct value, S equal to 1.59 into 10 power minus 22 joule per Kelvin. So the correct option A is correct. Okay, most important. Okay, நிறைய times இந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணி கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Okay, you have to concentrate these types of problems. Okay, so then question number 7, if the entropy of a system, here entropy கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Okay, so by entropy S equal to the value will be given. Okay, the entropy value then 2.76 into 10 power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. Here find the number of microstate. Given கொடுத்தாச்சு Boltzmann constant, then K is equal to 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. What is the entropy definition? Then S equal to then Boltzmann constant, then logarithmic thermodynamic probability, or here number of thermodynamic probability or number of microstate also represented as W. Okay, so here entropy கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. இங்க என்னது find the number of microstate. So W தான் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். So just we have to rearrange this, then logarithmic number of microstate or thermodynamic probabilities which is equal to then S by K. Okay, அப்போ then logarithmic which is then already entropy கொடுத்தாச்சு. That should be then 2.76 into 10 power minus 23 divided by Boltzmann constant 1.38 into 10 power minus 23. Then we have to cancel out, then logarithmic the number of microstate which is equal to, just we have to substitute, then we have to get the answer 2. Okay, we have to divide, we have to get this one. Okay, so then take exponential on both side, then e power ln thermodynamic property omega is equal to then e power 2, then log cancels, then W is equal to e power 2. Okay, so the correct option C is correct. Okay, so most important. Okay, by using entropy formula. So in the formula kandipa remember பண்ணிக்கணும். Sometimes there should be a question may be direct. Okay, then before question la formula கேட்டுட்டு then Boltzmann constant constant value and W கொடுத்தாச்சு, thermodynamic property கொடுத்துட்டு then entropy கண்டுபிடிக்க சொன்னாங்க. question number 6 ல question number 7 ல entropy and Boltzmann constant value constant, then we have to find out the W value. There should be thermodynamic properties or number of microstate. Just we have to rearrange the entropy formula, then we have to find out the thermodynamic properties or number of microstate. Okay, then most important. Okay, so நிறைய homework problem நம்ம ஆப்பில் நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்கேன். நிறைய more than 20 to 25 problems I have to given the same topic. Okay, you have to do it for more practice and practice. You have to get familiar those formulas and how to approach the problem. Okay, so question number 8, then which of the following correspond to a macrostate? That is the important thing. For macrostate nale there should be a temperature, volume and pressure. Here no, here no, here no, here is the temperature. Option C is correct. Okay, then temperature and pressure of gas. Okay, so option C is correct. So here question number 9, the two system having same macrostate may have here same macrostate with two system. Which one is correct? If two system having same microstate may have, which one is different microstate? So option B is correct. Zero entropy varadu, a different temperature varadu. It may be a or B. Okay, it should be a same single microstate only or different microstate. Idu rendu kandipa varave varadu. Okay va, appo then we have to choose this one. Appo already from the previous question we have to same, we have to given that there should be very large number of cases. Okay, so appo correct option B is correct. Okay, then two system having same microstate may have different microstate. Okay, so if you see that this question, okay, related to this question, so option B is correct. Okay, then different microstate. Okay, remember that. So question number 10, the greater the number of microstate, greater the number of microstate, the correct option. If microstate is greater, which one is greater? Then entropy is also greater because of formula, then S equal to then Boltzmann constant K, then logarithmic, then thermodynamic probabilities. If it is greater, then which one is greater? This is the constant one. Boltzmann constant is a constant. Okay, that is 1 point something into 10 power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. This is the constant value. If thermodynamic property is greater, then entropy is greater. Which one is correct? Option B is correct. Okay, so if thermodynamic properties or number of microstate is greater, then similarly then entropy is greater, so option B is greater. Okay, so while studying we have to compare that. Okay, then you have to easily remember those cases while in exam hall. Okay, so we discuss next topic in the next classes. Okay, so if you want to join test batches or regular classes, you must download the app from the Google Play Store. Then app link and WhatsApp and Telegram link given in the description. Those who are interested, if you are interested to join. Okay, we meet in the next video. Thank you.